My name is Sudhanshi. I would like to recite a story about the engineer. Guess what happens to the engineer? Let's see. Today, this story is about a very good engineer. He worked very nicely. Even he had many friends around him. Friends are very important. He made good of them. Good friends, of course. All of them took very good care of him, and even he would take good care. Suddenly, he took a leave out of no reason. He didn't even inform anyone that he's taking a leave. Now, everybody, all of his friends, are trying to call him up. What happened? Why are you on leave? Why didn't you come up? Everybody's calling him. No answer at all. Everybody's shocked. What happened to him? It might be some emergency. He would not be available to take the call. Okay, let's leave. We'll see tomorrow. They left for the first day. The second day, guess what happens? Engineer didn't turn up the second day also. So much worried. The friends are. They decide, my God, what has happened to him? He didn't ask for permission. He didn't inform anyone. What has happened to him? Let's get. They think, but still they think, okay, let's wait. 1 or 2 days might be something. We'll leave. The third day when he comes, we'll ask him. The third day, they are saying, he's still not there. He's not there for the third day also. They are very worried. For the third day, they decide to go to his house. So finally they go to his and see what happened to him. They see he's alright. But the door is locked from inside. Let's see what happened to him. They go. They're ringing the bell, ring, ring. No answer. No one opens the door. They are very shocked. They are knocking the door. No one's answering. What to do? All is thinking. What shall I do? They finally decide to break the door. What to do? Break the door. They break the door and go inside. After going inside, they are searching for him here and there. Finally, he was found in the bathtub. The friends are standing, looking what happened to him. The man is sitting inside the bathtub, having a shampoo bottle in his hand, taking some shampoo. No shampoo is coming out. The shampoo bottle is empty. He's taking no shampoo. Again, he's trying to wash his hair. Still not happening. He's trying. No answer. No one drop of shampoo also is not. He's thinking, what can I do now? He is in that worry. His friends are shocked. They see why is he acting like that? Then they understand. On the bottle there was a label. It was written, pour, wash and rinse. Pour, wash and rinse. He's repeating. Because after pour, wash, rinse, it's written repeat. He's repeated the whole process until the bottle got over. But still he didn't stop. He's still trying to take the shampoo and again rinse the hair. What a fellow engineer, no? They all are very shocked. This was the joke, actually not a story. We enjoyed the story and a joke. The values of the story are communication is very important, might be for a product or for a personal life. If we don't communicate the product advertisement, in the product advertisement also, there will be many few customers buying the product. If we communicate very amazingly, there will be thousands of customers buying it. The same way for any other thing, we need to use our sense, what to do, when to do, how to do. It's written instructions, but still, even we need to know. We need to inquire about it. If we are not sure how much it is, we need to inquire. We need to judge. We need to know ourselves. Yeah, this must be it. This is the quantity right, and we can't waste our 3 days just for a hair wash, right? This was the moral of the story.